Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this BMW remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. So first thing we need to do is remove this screw here out of the back of the key fob. So we get our Phillips screwdriver and we just simply unscrew the screw like so. Now we can get our fingers in and just remove the cover of the case, and there is your key fob battery. You just slide it out from underneath its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it underneath the metal bar into its housing. On this one, making sure that the writing is facing upwards like that, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So you get the other half of the case, you just line it all up, and you just click it in place. Now, you just put the screw back in, like so, and there you go, it's all done.